Hello guys.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine, thanks, and you?
Thank you. I'm well. So, today we have a very interesting topic. To better explain you what is the topic, and we play a game. From each group, I need you to give me one student. Who wants to? Okay, please choose it. From here, one. From here, one. Come here, please. Yeah. So, I count 3, 2, 1. You start, and who will blow first, he will win. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Please, applause. Look at this. What happens? Okay, I will not do like this. Okay. What is happening? Yes, it's like exchange of gas. Yes, respirator system. How do you know the topic? What is the topic?
Respiratory system.
As you see from here, respiratory system. Great. What words come to your mind when I say respiratory system?
Lungs.
Lungs.
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Breathing.
Oxygen.
Breathing. Oxygen. Air. What else? Carbon dioxide. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Yeah. Breathing. What else? Human. Human? It's too obvious, man. Okay, great.
Expels the carbon.
As you can see, it's just an exchange of taking oxygen and giving carbon dioxide. Exchange of gases, that's all. Why do we need to breathe?
Because it's essential access.
Blah, blah, blah. Yes? Why we need to breathe? Maybe we don't need? Well, what do we take?
Blood circulation.
Oxygen.
Yes, we need oxygen. Why?
Carbon dioxide.
So that our body works. Yes? Without oxygen, there is no body. Great. Let's watch a video.
Dioxide, working closely with the circular.
Great. What other systems work very closely with respiratory system?
Heart.
Great. Heart, yes. Lungs is this respiratory system itself, and muscles. Understand?
Yeah.
They work very closely together. Great.
Circulatory system and other systems to do so is how we get that oxygen into the human body in the first place. And that oxygen will be needed for cellular respiration. So you inhale, air passes through your nasal cavity, the air is warmed, humidified, and filtered. This involves mucus and hairs, nasal hairs that you can see, and then microscopic cilia, which are similar to microscopic hair-like structures. Now we come to the fair.
So what happens? We breathe in the air, it goes out through our mouth, oral cavity, then goes and here through nasal cavity, nose, and goes into pharynx, here, and later, what is the name of the structure? Trachea, yes? Then, let's see.
Pharynx, a junction, if you will, of both food and air. From the pharynx, we go through the larynx, often called the voice box. Then the trachea. By the way, food should be traveling down the esophagus.
After pharynx, we have larynx, voice box, which produces voice. And then we go into the trachea.
It's not the trachea. We mentioned in our digestive system video that an epiglottis keeps food from going down the trachea. The trachea is a pretty fascinating cylinder tube.
You see the structure of trachea? Okay? It's just a tube, трубочка.
With rings of cartilage. That cartilage helps support the trachea and keep it open for air to travel through. The trachea goes down to the primary bronchi. One on each side as this branches to the lungs.
It divides into two bronchi. Yes? Bronchi. Yeah.
Just to mention a bit about the lungs. There are two. Each lung has sections called lobes. 3 lobes on the right and 2.
And what is the name of these structures?
Lobes.
Lungs. Yes? Lungs are divided into lobes. Yes? Parts. How many parts we have at the right side?
3.
At the left side?
2.
Which one is right, which one is left? How we understand? You must stand, okay, with the back to the TV, and then the left side will be here. Okay, don't think like this is the right.
Yes.
How many lobes we have here as the left side?
2.
Two. And then, now it's a very great question. Why we have here 2 lobes and here 3?
Because we have her.
Heart, yes, wonderful. We have here a heart. That's why it's space is much less left. Yes, great. So you understand. How many minutes is the video recording now?
6.
Great. Let's go to the next part, which is what is the name of structure that helps to like take air and push it from you? No. There is a muscle that helps, like diaphragm. Very good. So let me explain how it works. So imagine this is a diaphragm. Yes. Who can show me how it works when we breathe in and out? Can you try, please? No, just this. Show and change it.
So first, it does like this one, so like this one, and
You must show with breathing. One more time. Yeah, thank you. It was great. Not exactly like this, but imagine it's very flat. Okay? You breathe in, it stays flat. And then it contracts like what happens? It helps you to get rid of oxygen. Okay? It like pushes the air and the pressure and the air like look at this. It makes lungs get rid of air. Understand how it helps for lungs? Great, thank you. How many minutes now?
7.
So let's go to the next part. Please, our friend has done a homework and he wants to show you how the lungs work. It's a model of lung. Please.
this is small market of our respiratory system. So it's our lung. Let's imagine that we have just one. And so it's diaphragm, as we said. So when we do like this one, in lungs we have an oxygen, and when we are doing like this, oxygen gets out of there. So it's small market of our lungs and respiratory system.
Can you show with your breathing?
First of all,
Great. So you see, the diaphragm helps to work, yes, properly lungs. Without diaphragm, it's very hard to make the pressure goes up and down. So let's go next. We have a small game, and let's see if you understood correctly the topic from the previous lesson. So we go here, and here, and please go to the quizlet.live and fill in these numbers. If you have already done it, please let me know. Are you here all? I think your groups will be changed. Yep. So if everyone is there, I start the game. Yeah. No, I cannot. Please divide into 3 groups: bison, alpacas, and lynx, and sit in this way. Or you can give your phones. If you don't sit in this way, you cannot play. How many minutes?
Almost 10.
Okay, be quick. Guys, be quick because time is over. Okay, if you are ready, we shall start. Put your phones together. Put your phones together because questions will come to your phones. 1, 2, 3. Good luck. Who will win? I'll give some present. No, don't switch off. Just continue. It's okay with sound. You must put it together because answers are not only in one form. Okay. So, if you make a mistake, it will be starting from the beginning. You can show the. Okay, great. Links in the first place.
Diafragmas, radyö. Silnie треба respiration.
Links, 3 points. If you make mistake, it will be starting from the beginning.
What is
Just do it quickly. You understand how it works. How many minutes?
Nie ma dużo takich słów.
I think it's just-